Wuyi Shimino Industry and Trade Company Limited is a company just produce kinds of high-quality electric bicycles, with all components from famous suppliers. Our company occupies an area of 10,000 square meters and has advanced facilities of electric bicycle production line. Shimino Bike, with all our importers around the world, we make an international contract, giving real warranty and assistance. From our factory, you can customize the order as you want, and we will produce exactly what you order, offering you the nice service in terms of quality, performance, style, and safety of each component. We have EN 15194 TUV certificate, verified by European Commission. We have cooperated with many famous bike parts manufacturers and suppliers in China for a long time, like Shimano, Tektro, Bafang Motor, Samsung Battery, Li Shui Controller, RST, Zoom, Kenda, and others. Not only customer could choose parts they like, but also we have our own paint department to let customers choose the colors. All parts from them are with high quality. We use the advanced technology to improve product quality constantly, so that make our products occupy a leading position in its class. Our company is always looking for new partners. We are sure that our bicycle will help you import the high-quality products that you are looking for, constantly develops new products with leading the global market trends.